Carrying ladders around a worksite or warehouse can be a painful and awkward experience. Well, Ergodyne is here to help carry the load with this week's featured product, the Arsenal Ladder Carrying Strap. This padded strap system makes transporting ladders a breeze. Simply wrap the hook and loop packet around the middle of the ladder. Place the connector straps on both sides of the packet and hook up the shoulder strap to the connectors. That's it! All those pieces can stay on the ladder, allowing you to quickly get up and go. The packet has an extended strap to wrap around both frames during transport to ensure the ladder doesn't swing open. And once the ladder is needed, you can stuff the shoulder strap into the packet to keep it safe and out of the way. Both the packet and the shoulder strap are padded to keep your shoulders and hips comfortable, while also preventing injuries. And there's even a durable built-in carry handle, perfect for small ladders. This harness is made with weather-resistant webbing and secure stitching, meaning this can be used outside in the elements and is able to carry up to 45 kilograms. So, even the heaviest of ladders can be maneuvered with ease. It works on any materials and supports a frame, standard, straight, and step ladders. So, let's step up our comfort and make life easier with this week's featured product, the Arsenal Ladder Carrying Strap from Ergodyne. Think this ladder strap is a good addition to your arsenal? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for more of our 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching!